Envision is a 20-year-old company. In fact, we're celebrating our 20th year this year. And we started in the technology space for telephony. So way back in the 90s when call centers were new and telephony was new, we were the first ones to put CTI, computer telephony integration, into a quality monitoring product. We were also the first ones to use Windows NT. In fact, today we're completely Microsoft-centric and have been the entire 20 years. We quickly found that just the technology side of the business wasn't fulfilling the business needs of call centers. Call centers needed to be able to do more with the agents they were hiring. All those people they hired and call centers they built had to be more effective. And because turnover was large, we had to make sure those people were trained well. The industry we were in was focused on catching people doing things wrong. We thought that was backwards. We think the right way to do it is to find people doing things right and then help train them to do them even better. So take your top 20% of your agents and use them as examples for the other people to bring them up to speed faster. That whole coaching concept and the creation of Click2Coach revolutionized the entire industry. It allowed Envision to become a leader, to have systems installed all over the world, all on the premise of making agents better. And now in our 20th year, we're shifting again. We think the market's not quite what it was 10 years ago. It's not what it was 5 years ago. It's not about workforce optimization, which is the agents. We've already conquered that battle. It's more about customer experience optimization. How do we take that customer and lead them through a process that makes them want to do business with us over and over again? So while that includes the agent and that includes training, it also includes the customer's point of view. So take the old workforce optimization idea that we need to make the calls faster so that we can get more calls done in a day. We train the agents better to do that. Great idea. If you look at it from customer experience optimization, how does the customer stay on the phone the least amount of time and get the problem solved? Same solution, different way of looking at it. But it also leads us to capture more data in that conversation, whether it's an email conversation or a chat conversation or a phone conversation. How do we understand what the customer's going through? How do we make sure that experience is repeatable? How do we make sure those agents satisfy those customers so that they come back to us time and time again?